How to fix Instagram story music search not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is change the Instagram type. So go ahead and open your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Head towards the profile page. Now at the top right corner you can find 3 bars, click on it. Once you land to the settings and activity page, over here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down, head towards the option of business tools and controls. Now over here you will find the option of switch account type, click on it. Click on the option of switch to personal account. Click on switch to personal account. Once you switch your account to the personal account, your problem might be fixed. But if you still encounter the issue, close Instagram app. Now head towards the settings app. Scroll down, navigate to the option of general. Open this option iPhone storage. Now over here you're gonna find different apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and click on the option of Instagram. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards very last solution, you can update your Instagram app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the top, you'll see the search box. Over here, type in the app name. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Instagram story music search not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.